In this video, I will show you exactly how to find and use the newest active promo codes for One State RP to give your character a massive boost. This mobile life simulator is much more fun when you have extra cash and premium items in your pocket right from the start. To begin, open the game on your device and wait for the main menu to load properly. Once you are in the world, look for the gift icon or the settings menu button located on your screen. Tap that icon to open up the redemption window where you can enter secret codes. I have gathered the latest working codes that players are using today to get free cars and money. Make sure you type these very carefully because they are case-sensitive and will not work if there is a mistake. A popular code right now is often related to new updates or special seasonal events. After you type the code, hit the confirm button and wait for the reward animation. If the code is valid, your balance will update instantly. Keep in mind that these codes expire fast, so you should use them today before they disappear forever. Good luck!